guys, welcome to my vlog Jamantaka 17. Today I'm here at Helmets Mall in the heart of Bengaluru, where you get the best helmets at the best prices possible. And today I'm back here on popular demand. Today's video is going to be about the top helmets available under 5,000, and it's going to be an interesting video. Stick till the end of this video. Hi Yashwant.
Hi bro, how are you?
I'm doing great, bro. We are again at Helmets Mall today to have this interesting video. So today's video is about the top helmets under 5,000, and Yashwant will take us through the video.
Hope you are doing good. Last video was a very great success for us.
Yes.
And you too.
Yes.
It was a very good response for the last video. So
Yes.
we are planning to do on helmets under 5,000. We had many comments in that video, people asking for helmets, good helmets under 5,000. So we have planned a video for it and we are going to showcase it.
So we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 helmets under.
These are the 7 models, not the
7 models?
7 different models.
Huh.
We have many more colors in this.
Colors and sizes, everything. Yes.
Color sizes, many sizes and many colors available in these models.
Okay.
And starting,
Huh.
we have the latest edition from AXOR. This is
Okay.
called AXOR Hunter.
Okay.
This is their latest model. And the graphics name is Turbo.
Turbo.
Yeah, and again, this is also an EC 22.06 rated helmet. Comes
Okay.
with DOT certification and it's also an ISO certified helmet. The shape of the shell is very compact and the
Okay.
weight is also it's under 1600 grams. So
Okay.
it's again 1500 grams.
Yes.
You'll get a visor lock here. This is the visor lock.
Got it.
If you open this, the visor will open, and there's a single visor helmet. There's an option, the visor is pin lock ready visor. You can put
Okay.
a pin lock inside later if you want. And the liners are very premium quality liners. You get speaker pockets also inside.
Yes.
And the liners are fully removable and washable. You can remove and wash the liners also.
Got it.
Everything is removable and washable, and this eyeglass compatible or specs compatible also.
Yes.
And there are 4-5 color options in it.
Okay. So, and the price of this helmet would
Price
be?
of the helmet is 3,770.
Okay, great.
This is the next new model from AXOR. It's
Okay.
called AXOR Saber.
I guess this is a new model from
Yeah,
AXOR.
both are
Yes.
new model. Hunter is also a new model. This is also a new model. This is called Saber.
Okay.
And this is also a very good premium model. Comes with a very good sharp spoiler.
Yes.
And it is also an EC 22.06 rated helmet.
Yes.
DOT and ISI.
Got it.
And the one special feature in this is there's a push lock visor.
Okay. So it doesn't accidentally open
Visor
all
doesn't
the.
accidentally open on, it doesn't open on high speeds also.
Yes.
And this also has got a premium liners.
Yes.
This is also fully removable, washable. And you get an
Speaker pockets.
micrometric buckle with this, and speaker
Yes.
pockets is also there.
Yes.
And this is also a pin lock. Comes with pin lock. This pin lock 30, it comes with pin lock.
Okay. Pin lock in the sense anti-fog.
Anti-fog, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Price of this helmet is 4,220.
Okay.
This is also a very good helmet, new model. There are many color options available in this.
Yes.
And now comes, this is the LS2.
LS2.
Yeah, this is static basic model from LS2.
Okay.
This also getting sharp spoiler with it.
Okay.
And this is also an EC 22.05 rated helmet. Comes with ISO certified.
Yes.
Removable and washable liners. This is the basic model from LS2.
And it comes in multiple attractive graphics.
Multiple attractive graphics. There are many graphics in this.
Yes.
And you also get a pin lock insert with the helmet.
Got
and again,
it.
this is a Sharp 4-star rated helmet. The Sharp certification, it comes with Sharp certification also.
Got it.
The price of this helmet is 4,200.
4,200.
Yeah.
Yes.
And next is then Naruto helmet.
Okay. So.
This is for their anime fans.
Yes.
This is a Naruto.
Yes.
And this is the Saber model. It comes in Saber model, the
Okay.
model which you saw previously.
Yes.
And these are same features, everything is same. Just the graphics is the Naruto.
Naruto graphics. Got it.
And the price is slightly price high. This comes at 4,750.
Okay. Mostly because of the certification they had to
not
get
for the certification.
copyrights.
Copyrights, for the copyrights.
Yes. Yes.
And next is an AXOR Apex model.
This is the most popular.
And most sold model in AXOR.
AXOR. Yes.
And this everyone knows. This also comes with a sharp spoiler.
Yes.
EC 22.06 rated.
Yes.
DOT certified and ISO certified.
Around 1,600
Yeah, around
grams.
1,600 grams. It comes with dual visor also.
Yes.
And it comes with an pin lock 30 insert.
Got it.
And this fully removable, washable.
With speaker pocket.
Pockets.
Yes. Got it. And the price would be
Price is 4,994.
4,994. Okay. Got it. I personally use that helmet and I am very fond of it. Very convenient.
Old helmet. No?
Yes. Yes.
And this is a model from SMK. There will be a basic lineup.
Yes.
It's called Stellar.
Yes.
This also comes with a spoiler.
Yes.
This is also EC 22.06 certified.
Yes.
And DOT and ISI.
Yes.
This also comes with an inbuilt pin lock.
Yes, got it.
Inbuilt pin lock.
Yes, and a
it's
double.
single visor helmet.
Okay, this is a single
Single
visor.
visor helmet, and all the liners are removable and washable.
Yes.
This also has a speaker pocket inside, and it comes with micrometric locking system.
Yes, for quick lock and unlock.
Yeah.
Yes.
And next comes the SMK Typhoon.
Yes.
SMK Typhoon. Now
So you forgot to mention the price of this.
sorry.
Yes.
the price of this is 4,400 rupees.
4,400.
There are multiple color options in this also.
Yes. Yes.
And next comes the SMK Typhoon.
Typhoon from SMK.
SMK,
Yes.
and this is EC 22.06 certified.
Yes.
DOT and ISI.
And it comes around 1,675 grams.
675 grams for the bigger shells.
Okay.
Because the L and XL.
Okay.
S and M, the size, the shell
Comparatively
size will be smaller.
Lighter.
Weight will be below 1,600 grams.
Okay.
And this is also a dual visor helmet.
Yes.
And it also comes with a pin lock.
Yes.
Now they have changed the paddings in Typhoon.
Okay.
Unlike before, the paddings was little bit plushy in Typhoon.
Okay.
Now they have changed the padding. Now the padding is very good.
More comfort.
More comfortable.
Yes.
Before it was very squishy.
Okay.
The padding was very thin.
Okay.
Now
But
the
now
padding
it
is
is
very good.
a bit firm, giving that snug fit
That's
to
why they
the.
have made two shells in this.
Okay.
S and M one shell and L and XL one shell.
Okay.
And this is
Okay.
also a
Got
removable
it.
washable helmet.
Yes.
You get speaker pockets also in this.
Yes.
Vents here. Those are the normal features.
Yes.
The price of this is 5,250.
And I guess this comes with the double visor,
Yeah,
right?
double visor. Yeah, double visor, pin lock inside, everything you get. This is the double visor.
Got it. So it's accessible through that.
Yeah, so the knob
slider.
here, and this
Yes.
is a UV protected visor.
Okay.
Editions and UV protected visor. There are many different color options in this. N number of colors in this.
Got it. Got it.
We deal helmet brands in AXOR, SMK, LS2, MT, KYT, and many
Yes.
more brands.
Yes.
We have good collections of helmets. We are located right opposite Urvashi Theatre in Lalbagh Road.
Yes.
We have all kinds of helmets, all sizes. All sizes will be available. All colors will be available.
Yes.
We provide good discounts also. If you come see this video and come through this video, like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, Yashwant. It was a very informative video.
Thank you.
So like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hope you like the video. Support me. There will be more videos coming out soon. Till then, later. See you. Ciao.